Hey, this is Game and Change, and here's a good suggestion on how to use Google Drive and Google Sheets to keep track of your workout. I'm playing a little bit of Destiny right now, Destiny 2. I'm going to play some Mayhem to get some more super kills. I'm still doing my journey for the anniversary collection, and this was today's workout at the gym. Alright, but I need to do my at-home pull-up routine. So I have it all set up here, and I'm going to have to do that in the next couple of moments. And this is just a suggestion. I have tabs set up for each day of the week. It really makes it easy to keep track of your workouts, and I just, I write them out a day ahead of time, and then I put them in. And really, once you do it once, you're not really writing a lot each time. You're just copying, pasting, and then editing. You edit the date. I like to use red background for a few cells to separate out the dates, but that's my suggestion. My workouts are nothing special, but it is something that must be done. But whatever you do, whatever your training is, whether it's walking in the park, whether you're doing boating, lifting weights, whatever you're doing, consider using a spreadsheet on your phone like Google Sheets and with Google Drives, and that's a good way to keep track of what you're doing. I had a big issue with remembering how many sets I've done. Did I do 2 sets, 3 sets? So then you want to overcompensate. You want to do extra sets because you're not sure if you did the programmed, scheduled amount or if you did less. This prevents that. If I do a set, I put a $sign. I do another set, put another $sign. Just a small video suggestion, getting myself ready to finish the daily training for today. And then I thought of you, and I thought, hey, I don't need to keep this knowledge to myself. Maybe you might enjoy a quick tip on how to keep track of your workout as well. This is Game and Change, coming to you live on Sunday night